Hello, my name's Jake.
And I'm Sandy.
Welcome to Heart Healthy Cooking with Wellspam.
So Jake, we've been doing a lot of cooking demos lately, and they have been made possible through a generous sponsorship from the York Health Foundation. And I am super excited about the one that we have today. So this is going to be chicken pineapple salad. So we're going to start out with the chicken. So what we want to do is we're going to get our oven on. It does make a little bit of noise, just so you know. We've got a little bit of olive oil that I'm just going to pour into the pan.
And then while she cooks the chicken, I'm going to be preparing the dressing for today, which involves a little bit of a balsamic vinegar right here. We have a little bit of an olive oil mixture as well, extra virgin. It's also going to involve some pineapple juice, add a little bit of sweetness. There's a little bit of sugar involved in this recipe as well, but then we also get a little bit more of an earthy tone with the cinnamon as well.
So sometimes people think sugar in a dressing, it does help to just provide a little bit of flavor, but it's very minimal. So it's not going to cause massive issues with anybody, like if you're diabetic or pre-diabetic. So it's a good thing. So why don't you go ahead, bring that over and get that started.
That sounds
Meanwhile,
like a
I'm just going to continue to cook the chicken up. Now the one thing is that if you aren't a big chicken fan, okay, then one of the things you could do is you could use turkey. You could also use a salmon. That would be great. Okay, that's some types of meat that you might like.
All right, and I'm just finishing up whisking the dressing here. How's that chicken doing, by the way?
It's doing pretty good. It doesn't take real long. That's why you want to make sure you have it nice, kind of even cubes. Just kind of brown it up a little bit. Just a couple more moments. We can get started on putting the salad together. So we're using spinach. And spinach is like the alphabet of vegetables. It's got every vitamin that you could imagine. It's a very good heart-healthy type of vegetable that we can use.
Great source of fiber as far as that goes. Also very versatile, like she was saying. I'm going to add this into the bowl a while.
So spinach actually became really popular, went up about 33% as a boost in the 1930s after Popeye came out with his famous "strong to the finish because I eats me spinach." So it's a really good heart-healthy type of vegetable that you can eat. And like I said, it's a really good one for you.
Now I'm going to grab our broccoli here. Very versatile as well. Add a little bit of extra crunch to our salad. Next thing I'm going to grab our pineapple. And like she said, you could use this as a fresh product where you cut your own pineapple. Today, like she said earlier, we are using the canned pineapple that's unsweetened.
Yeah. So again, you could use strawberries, you could use oranges, all different kinds of vegetable or fruits that you might like. This is just a nice, refreshing one. It's looking pretty good over there, Jake.
Oh yeah, it's coming around.
Okay.
Last item that we're going to add our red onion as well. This will add a little extra bite to the salad, give it a little extra crunch as well. Very fragrant.
Yeah. Red onion is a really good one. Again, not your favorite. You can change it out with a different type of onion.
That sounds good.
So we've got our chicken. Again, we just cubed it up. We've got it ready to rumble, and we're just going to go ahead and pour that right in. There we go. I want to make sure I don't splash anybody. Perfect.
I'm just going to turn this around. Well, I would say it looks like we're pretty well mixed up here. What do you say? We're time for the dressing?
I think that sounds good. Yeah.
All right, that sounds
delicious.
good. So like I said, this is a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Has that olive oil, has a cinnamon, has a little bit of the sugar, and also that pineapple juice. This is going to be a very nice dressing to coat our salad.
Perfect. That looks yummy. I'll go ahead and mix it up. You can get a plate. One of the best parts about doing any of these cooking demos is that we get to taste test everything, or at least somebody does. So we're going to mix that up a little bit. All right. Oh, this looks so good. You can see that that spinach is holding that dressing. We've got that yummy chicken. We'll pull this out of the way a little bit. If only we had a taste tester here. I wonder if our friend Megan is here. Megan! Oh, there she is. Hey, how are ya?
Wow, it smells great.
Good. We have
That
a
looks amazing.
really heart-healthy chicken pineapple salad.
Okay.
It's got a little bit of onion, some broccoli, so have at it.
Terrific.
We're
Thank
excited.
you so much.
And again, these are all sponsored by York Health Foundation to allow us to be able to do these cooking demos. We want to be able to do things with ingredients that you have in your kitchen that you don't have to go out and buy an awful lot of, that are quick, easy, something that you would share with your family, take to another outing, if you will, something that you would enjoy, but actually something you might actually enjoy eating. So, what do you think?
Amazing job, guys. Excellent. And so light, but so flavorful as well. So
Perfect.
thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Well, thanks for joining us. We look forward to seeing you the next time on another edition of Heart Healthy Cooking with WellSpan. See you later.